Now we'll be setting the outer gears, that is the gear selector, the one your leg taps. So that one is kind of like one of the simplest things to fix. So since from the beginning I've set this to gear 1, I've set this to neutral, to neutral. That's why this is rotating. If I change the gear, see it rotates this other one, so which means the gear has been engaged. So I go back to neutral. Go back to neutral, that guy is free. So you see this is not really engaged. So now since we have that, we'll be sliding this guy in. It goes in, it's coming out on the other side. If you notice this side, you see him is out. So that goes in, comes out on the other side. So then what happens on this side? I need to raise this thing up. Okay, let me just do it. So there's this marking here, it goes in. So if you see this, it goes in. So what I like doing is I like pulling this guy down, so he goes into this mark here. See, I lock this in place. So this guy goes in here. So you see, he handles the selector. He handles the selector. So this one goes in there. That one is just simple. That's for the gas selector. You see, that's the gas selector. The engine is standing this way. That's the gas selector. So that is there. Then something else is there, which is this. Now this, you see, the spring, there's this nut, there's this washer. So don't be tricked. This goes in first, the washer goes in second. So the washer is outside, this long bar is in the middle. So where does this go? So this guy, I think I fixed it wrongly. Hold on. It's facing up. So I go like this. Yeah, it's facing up. So it's facing up. So where does that go? Let me stand the engine normally so you know where it's facing. So this goes here. So I like tightening this first. This is a 13 spanner. So I have a 13 somewhere here. Why will I not have a 13? Where is my 13 panel? Let me pause the video. So this is a 12. So tighten 12. So this becomes free. So what do we do here? Now you send this in here. This spring, hold up, spring is in the wrong place. Spring is in the wrong place. Okay. Okay, spring goes up and into this. Goes into the mark here. Yeah. So you see this goes. Yeah. Now it's in. Now it's out. Okay. So this is our selector. So you see, go. That's our selector. Okay, we're back. Back to the track. Yeah. So, yeah, so that sets that. So that answers the question for this side. So I like fixing other things here before I mount the engine. Basically, so you find it easier to mount the engine like this. It's much more easier when you mount the engine like this and start coupling other things. I think that's what I'm going to do. I don't have strength carrying the engine out. I'm trying to force it into you. So this goes into the engine frame like this. Let's just confirm that all other knots are tightened. Just confirm all this one, just be sure. Let's tighten them. Remember, this is the middle of the engine, so maybe I should even fix the block. I think I'll fix the engine block.